If your Galaxy S25 Ultra notifications are too loud, it's because your notification volume or sound settings are set higher than you think. Here's how to fix it fast. Open Settings, then tap Sounds and Vibration. Select Volume, and use the slider next to Notifications to lower it to a comfortable level. This is the quickest way to adjust notification volume on Galaxy S25 Ultra without changing anything else. If the alert still feels sharp or distracting, go back to the Sounds and Vibration screen, then select Notification Sound. Then choose a quieter tone from the list. Softer tones make every alert less jarring, especially at night or in quiet environments. For full control, you can set different volumes for each app. Go back to the Settings page, tap Notifications, and select Advanced Settings. Turn on Manage Notification Categories for each app. After that, go back to Settings and scroll all the way down. Tap Apps and choose the app you want to modify. In this case, let's use Calendar as an example. Select Notifications, tap Notification Categories, pick a specific alert type like Calendar Notifications, then assign a quieter notification sound or choose Silent. Repeat this for any other apps that are too loud. Using these options to adjust notification volume on Galaxy S25 Ultra makes your alerts more balanced, more personal, and much easier on the ears. If this video helped you control your Galaxy S25 Ultra alerts, give it a like or watch another quick tutorial to master more of your phone.